वेलकम बैक आफ्टर द ब्रेक. यू आर वाचिंग साउथ एशियन फोकस टीवी और मेरे साथ हैं सहर. सहर, अब हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में जो मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि अपने गेस्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस कराने में इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के. और ये जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है ये हैंडी केयर इंटरनेशनल है और इसका जो काम है, जो एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व है ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये स्टार्ट हुआ था 1992 में. और जो इसका एम है वो रूरल जो डिसेबल्ड चिल्ड्रन हैं उनको सेटल करना, उनको ट्रेन करना, उनको एजुकेट करना. और इस वक्त इनके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में 120 ऐसे रूरल किड्स हैं और 30 यूथ हैं जिनको ट्रेन किया जा रहा है.
बहुत ही अच्छा एफर्ट है एंड आई थिंक विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले हमें हमारे गेस्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए.
वी हैव मिसेस सुलो कृष्णमूर्ति, प्रेसिडेंट हैंडी केयर इंटरनेशनल. वेलकम टू द शो, मैम.
वेलकम.
Thank you.
First of all, we would like to know you. What is the inspiration behind Handy Care International?
Well, Handicare International, as you know, was formed in 1992. As a child, I was raised with two siblings who were born with severe muscular dystrophy, and they ended up in wheelchairs. But my parents tried to educate them to their level best. And my brother, Shankar Raman, is a chartered accountant, and my sister is a PhD in commerce. And they both not only did extremely well in their chosen careers, but back in 1991, they decided to quit what they were doing and start an organization called Amar Seva Sangam in rural India, just to help empower, educate, and rehabilitate poor rural disabled children. And that is because the amount of education they had and the training they had made them so successful. They want the rest of the community to enjoy such a privilege as well. So that was the main inspiration. When I found out my brother and sister are starting this, they needed my assistance, my input. So I decided to quit my job as a research assistant, and I started Handicare International as a Canadian registered charity with the permission to send money for projects to India.
It's really good.
That's a really good cause, actually. It's so nice that to make such a difference in people's lives. And tell us, how is the organization run at the moment?
It is completely volunteer driven. We have 8 people on the board, and all of us are volunteers. We use our own facilities and our own personal effects to run the organization. And we do annual fundraising and fundraising through the year for sponsorship of these children and for specific projects. And 97% or more goes directly towards the projects. Our overhead expense is less than 3% per year. It's mainly because all of us are volunteers, and we keep the cost really low.
Very nice.
That's such a great thing, especially when people are volunteering. So maybe you can tell us a little bit about how, if someone wants to volunteer, how they can
be a part of that. Yes.
Oh, there are many ways. We do have volunteer placements of young people in India at our project sites. Our main project is at Amar Seva Sangam. That is where the poor, rural, disabled, and mentally challenged children and youth are being rehabilitated. It's a huge campus that is constructed on a 30-acre land with 30 different buildings. It started almost 20 years ago, and now it has grown to a multi-million-dollar organization. And my brother, my sister, and another gentleman who is a quadriplegic, they are the ones who are running this organization. And they are, award winners of the highest order. They have been CNN heroes, and my brother recently got the Super Idol award from Amir Khan.
That's very nice.
And he got the Helen Keller award. That only shows what a good amount of work they are doing.
Yes.
So that place is completely well equipped to receive any volunteers. We do send 5 to 10 student volunteers, university level student volunteers, every year to go and work with these children. We also, McMaster University has a program whereby 2 physiotherapy students go and work in that place for 2 months, and they get a credit for it. And India Health Initiative started at Western University. They also send volunteers across to this place. All you have to do is to log on to our website and follow the link for volunteering.
That's very nice. And now we would like to know from you that what has Handicare International achieved in the past 18 years? It's been more than 18 years. years.
Yeah,
20
more than
years.
18 years.
Yes.
We started very small. Initially, we were only sponsoring the children through our different schemes like Adopt a Child, Meal for a Day, Sponsor a Youth, these type of schemes. But later on, as we grew, we started expanding into specific projects. We also started supporting other organizations in India. Even though Amar Seva Sangam is our main partner, we have other partners as well. Then we also built an entire village that was devastated by tsunami starting in 2005, and we ended up completing the project in 2006. We rebuilt an entire village and resettled the inmates. And since then we have done another major project within Amar Seva Sangam campus. We built an entire center for special education. This is for 100 or so mentally challenged children, and we train the teachers in special education, and this center is running in full swing, and the children are showing tremendous amount of improvement. Other than these two major projects, we have been doing the sponsorships, and we got involved in polio eradication process, and we got involved in different types of government applications for getting more rights for the disabled in India. And right now we are going to be concentrating on spinal cord injured victims. These are young men and women who get involved in accidents. They become quadriplegic or paraplegic after a spinal cord injury, and since they are poor, they have very little facility for further rehabilitation. So we take them into Amar Seva Sangam fold, and we give them complete rehabilitation, and the results are tremendous. It's remarkable.
Well, can you tell us before we go that you're planning an event? Can you quickly tell us a bit about the fundraiser?
Yeah, we run an annual fundraising. This year we are going to have a dinner entertainment program on June 13th. That's Sunday, June 13th, at Sagan Banquet Hall in Mississauga. Starts at 5:30, and the tickets are $50. That includes professional entertainment of Kathak dance plus dinner.
बिल्कुल आप जरूर हिस्सा बने इस इवेंट के. थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. वील बी बैक आफ्टर द ब्रेक.
Thank you.